So guys, this is where we are, Preston Crossing. Like I said, ये मेरे पीछे जो आप देख रहे हैं, this is a circle drive. तो जी गाइज, ये स्टोर जो आप देख रहे हैं बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट स्टोर है हमारे लिए, हमारी ज़िंदगी के लिए. अब नेहा जी बताएंगे ऐसा क्यों है.
Guys, I always feel so nostalgic यहाँ पे आके.
Hello and welcome to another video guys. This video is very special because नेहा जी आई है शॉपिंग पे. एंड शॉपिंग करने का एरिया कौन सा है नेहा जी ये?
Guys, this is like Preston Crossing and Circle Drive.
Yeah.
Now there are two on this road. On the right hand side, you have lot of stores,
Yeah.
which are like home decor. You talk about, so there is like from budget shopping,
Like see this right here. This is bed, body, bath and beyond.
bed, bath and beyond.
यहाँ से हमने स्नो ब्लोवर लिया था जी.
Yes, and then
Just
right
छोटा वाला.
behind us is Starbucks.
Starbucks. So
Then-
this is all the shopping area. This
Yeah.
is and this shopping area is very famous for clothing, and it has all the stores you can imagine.
Yes.
This is the biggest open shopping area. Specialty is it has free parking.
Yes.
And this shopping area is divided in both the sides of the road, and the road which has this shopping area is called Preston Avenue. And the road on the left of Preston Avenue, which we call an east, we have Walmart, Gap and all the other outlets.
Yeah.
And on the right side, which is west, we are standing on the west side of the Preston Avenue right now. And
So
we
this
have,
particular area has Party City. It has lot of sports stores here.
Yeah.
Then there's factory
if-
outlet. There
yeah.
is. We'll take you around here and show you exactly where it is. But there's Old Navy. There is Home Decor, which is the where is a it is a home decor store.
Yeah.
Then you go further. There is Canadian Tire. So lot of stuff in a small arena here, and
some
and
restaurants there too. You can
and
see
hum-
behind Neha, there's
yeah.
a couple restaurants.
there are
there.
restaurants, there are some like electronics where you can get mobiles and stuff.
Best
Jump.ca
Buy. Yeah, there's
and Best Buy.
Yeah.
So guys, actually when we first came here, this was like bare land.
There was nothing. There was nothing.
There
in
was
here.
nothing. So we actually grew with this
Old.
with this city. We are getting old with the city, and it is so amazing the amount of development the city has made in such a short time.
ये पूरा जो this is the west side of the Preston Avenue where we are,
Yeah.
like I said, and this was nothing.
Yeah.
Like it was all developed in front of us. It's,
So it is very interesting to see how fast this area has been developed, and it has probably captured all the brands and lot of outlets, and it has become quite a place to come and shop here. So let's take you around this whole arena and then take you on the other side of the road and show you what all stuff you get there. So it's pretty much coming here and you can get all that you need, from electronics, from clothing, from groceries in Walmart. Then you can get a lot of kids stuff. There is a toys place. So you can see the excitement I am having right now. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ because obviously I'm not going right now. And guys, we are not taking you inside the stores because it's not fair enough for people who are inside to go and risk them by any chance, because it is COVID and it doesn't look nice to go inside and make videos
and the
when people
major-
have a lineup outside.
right. People are waiting to get in the store, and so if we go in, it doesn't make doesn't
It doesn't
justify.
make sense, and
Yeah.
it's not right. And when people are lining up outside and the stores are at 50% of the capacity,
Right.
So but like in any other place, clothing stores are like clothing stores. Walmart, you guys
But-
have already seen in our grocery video.
Yeah.
So there is nothing rocket science about
More-
taking you guys inside.
Yeah, we wanted to make you more familiarized with the area, so that's why we came here. We drove all the way here.
Yeah, and we are standing
And,
in minus 30 and there's snowfall.
It's cold.
And but again, guys,
But again, at the end of this video, you will also see a store which has changed our life.
And
There's
so
a little
stay
story
connected.
behind it. Like you know, we are due to tell you. We have to tell you our PR story, but our
Yeah.
PR story is incomplete without one store that we'll show you today, which is right here at the Preston
Yes.
Avenue.
So
stay
let's
tuned.
take you there right now.
So guys, here we are. Like we said, there are all the clothing stores and everything here. So मेरे पीछे आप देख रहे हैं वहाँ है Old Navy. Old Navy से क्या मिलता है नेहा जी?
ओल्ड नेवी से बहुत अच्छे क्लोथिंग मिलती हैं, ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स, बी इट किड्स, बी इट मेंस, बी इट वुमेन्स, लॉट्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स, वेरी नाइस क्लोथ्स, लॉट्स ऑन सेल. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड सो गाइज, डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक दिस आउट इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सम नाइस डील्स, एंड द रेट्स आर वेरी इकोनॉमिकल. एंड बट अगेन, it is COVID time and I don't want to go inside. If not, I would have shown you.
So for clothing, you can go Old Navy.
So
And
let's
then you
show
will
them
see-
the other store.
Yeah, there is a pet.
So guys, that is the premium label outlet right behind me. That is a store that captures all kind of sports brands like Adidas, like you would call Reebok, that Puma,
So
like
people can buy shoes there.
shoes, clothes,
Foot-
sports gear basically. So that will capture this, and it is a factory outlet for all those brands.
And the similar kind of a store is right there, which is Marks. Oh, yeah, right there. So Marks is again the same kind. Neha ji बताएंगी ये सब मेरे को भाई I don't have much knowledge about all that stuff. So this is all Neha ji's department.
So Marks is another sports, plus it's got lot of other brands. Like
Workwear
it is
outfit,
a subsidized subsidiary company for Canadian Tire. At the same time, it captures lot of work gear, which means people who work in trades. Like if they need safety boots, if they need any kind of outdoor gear, you get lot of stuff here. Be it clothes, be it sports, be it any kind of equipment.
Warm,
Little bit.
like people who work outside in the winter.
So
in the
you
cold.
get lot of layers to wear inside. So Marks is another very good store that you
Yeah.
can check out.
Yeah.
It's called Marks Warehouse. So come here and then check out different stores. If
Again,
you are-
we are just to remind you, we are on the Preston Avenue on the west side of it, and we'll soon take you to the east as well. Let's
So that is about these couple stores, and then we'll go right there, show them that store.
So
So
the
guys, like you see,
that store right there.
the one that's behind me is
Michaels.
Michaels. It's got all kind of home decor, crafts, lot of stuff for like photo frames, and you can find lot of seasonal stuff. So it is a very good store again. If you guys love crafts, or if you love to do something to do with paint and arts and stuff like that, this is the biggest, nicest, beautiful store to go and check it out for seasonal items and stuff.
Tip, guys. मैं कहता हूँ all the tips to the males, husbands. That is not the store to go. You will
So
end
leave
up.
your husbands in the car, leave your partners in the car,
Yeah.
and
You
you,
will
can
end up
have a ball
spending-
of time.
You will end up spending so much money inside that store.
Yeah, don't listen
Home
to
decor.
him.
I mean,
Listen to me.
Home decor. I don't understand home decor.
Stay out of it. You can probably just listen to me in this vlog, because I'm gonna give you a lot of tips and lot of places where you can go and shop. So
Yeah,
so
yeah.
try to not listen to him. So there's not very useful tips that he's giving you.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go to the other side.
So guys, that is the Best Buy, the electronics store that
So if you are planning to buy a laptop, phones, cameras, or anything and everything related to electronics, that's the place to go. Best
That's
Buy.
right.
They have one store in here in Preston. There's one on the 8th Street.
बहुत boring store
Center
होता है. I
Mall.
don't want to go ever.
Just like I feel Michael's is a boring store, this is a boring store for her. So tablets, iPads, mics,
name it.
cameras, whatever you name it, and they have everything. And I forgot to mention TVs.
Here it comes.
Yeah.
This is the entrance. You can go in here, shop as much as you want. Now we have Canadian Tire here, guys, in the same area that
Beautiful
we were
store.
looking at.
This is amazing.
This is one of the biggest Canadian Tire of Saskatoon.
Yes, it is.
So it's got lots and lots of stuff and variety जो बाकी जगहों पे नहीं होती.
Yeah.
So it is quite a store. If you get some time, do come here and spend some time, and you will see in a lot of stuff that they sell. They got lot of deals like electronics होते हैं, appliances होते हैं यहाँ पे. You have obviously the outdoor gear stuff, which is outdoor sports, fishing, hunting, and camping.
और winter wear बहुत अच्छा मिलता है, guys. If
Yeah.
you need a jacket, if you need good shoes,
Yeah.
waterproof shoes, warm shoes, बहुत अच्छा डील मिल जाती है यहाँ पे. और घर के टूल्स तो मिलते ही हैं.
Yes.
गाड़ियों की सर्विस हो जाती है, ऑयल
Yeah,
चेंजेस
that is something you guys already know what Canadian Tire has to offer.
Canadian Tire में कपड़े, jackets and shoes and
Yeah.
apparel and outerwear.
When spring comes up, you see plants and
Oh,
garden area gets set up.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of stuff here, and they have to offer a lot of different things that they do in this particular
So
Canadian
like
Tire.
barbecues and fire pits and all
Yeah.
the fancy stuff.
all the kitchen appliances and everything too.
Oh,
So
yeah, it's the best place to buy all appliances, like Neha said, like toasters for your home,
Yep.
your little anything
like
to do.
microwaves, a countertop, or you can have any kind of mixers,
Coffee
baking
makers
stuff.
and
Yeah, like different kinds of tools that you need in your kitchen.
yeah. So guys, this is how we now we are going from west end of Preston to east, and this is all the Preston Avenue. ये जो आप जहाँ पे हम
So guys, this is basically the dividing road on both the sides
Yeah.
of the city. The other side, you will see the stores that we are just going to show you, and the ones that you just saw
Yeah.
is behind us. This is the Olive Garden. Very nice English restaurant. If you guys want to come and eat, you can. It was Chili's before. That is Rona. That is a very big store, just like Home Depot. All the stuff for home improvement, and you can see there's a lumber yard. There's whatnot like that. You would get everything. यहाँ पे सारा घर के equipments, tools, to improvise, renovation, all that.
There's
And
the
on this
Walmart.
side you have Walmart, and obviously that store that some of you guys can see is actually a very important store. I'll tell you why in a second. Cabela's.
तो जी गाइज, ये स्टोर जो आप देख रहे हैं बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट स्टोर है हमारे लिए, हमारी जिंदगी के लिए। अब नेहा जी बताएंगे ऐसा क्यों है।
Guys, I always feel so nostalgic यहाँ पे आके.
पहली बात तो
The reason here is this store gave me my SINP. This store changed our life. ये मेरी जॉब SINP की जॉब थी.
Right. And how
So-
many years did you work here, Neha?
I worked here for 5 to 6 years. I worked here.
6
So-
years. 6 years she worked here, and then this store was opened in front of us. Like it was.
It was actually first started its pilot batch, and that's when I got hired.
जब ये स्टोर ओपन हो रहा था पहली बार जब हायरिंग हुई, तो इनकी हायरिंग हो रही थी होटल में किसी।
इनकी यहाँ पे
Saskatoon
Saskatoon Inn में हो रही थी hiring, and we went there and we just got hired, and I just got hired into it. And then आपको मैं अपनी बाकी की जर्नी जॉब की बताऊंगी अपनी जॉब वाली वीडियो में, जब हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे. बट फिलहाल this store is a very beautiful store. You guys love exploring, come here and check out. There is outdoor gear which is fishing, hunting, camping, and if you like to shooting and stuff like that, this is a great store. अंदर बहुत अच्छे taxidermies बने हुए हैं. So real animals को उन्होंने preserve करके उसको यहाँ पे लगाया हुआ है. So आके दिखाइए अगर आपके बच्चे हैं तो. It's a beautiful store, very big store from inside, and they are great people, great customer service.
तो आपको लग गया होगा जैसे कि अब नेहा जी चुप नहीं हो रही, तो कितनी दिल के करीब है।
बहुत प्यार करती हूँ इस स्टोर से.
Yeah,
But if not, this store was still one of my favorites.
Their management is very good. They helped us from like they gave us SINP. चलो हमारे
They are
टाइम
just
पे
like my family. That management is my family. They know me. They are so great people. So
Yeah.
guys, go check it out. Even if you don't like outdoor gear
बट
store,
बड़ा
you
महंगा
will
स्टोर
love
है
it.
जी, महंगा स्टोर बहुत है, लेकिन क्वालिटी
But guys,
नंबर वन।
मुझे
आज
तो
भी
staff discount मिलता था. So I got him lot of deals. अभी भी
आज
जो
भी।
इसने शूज पहने हुए हैं ना,
आज
वो
भी।
शूज यहीं से मैंने लिए हुए हैं इसके लिए.
8 साल हो गए होंगे कम से कम वो शूज को। आई स्टिल वेयर दो शूज जो
Yes.
कि यहाँ से आए हैं। बहुत वाटर प्रूफ, विंटर
So
के
guys,
बहुत
इनके
अच्छे।
पास गियर के अलावा क्लोथ्स भी होते हैं, ब्रांडेड
बहुत
क्लोथ्स
अच्छे।
लाइक कोलंबिया, नॉर्थ फेस, इफ यू लाइक HH, Helly Hansen, any kind of brands for outdoor gear. You can come here and check it out. They do have some clearance like different areas. So check it out and see if you
बट
if you are
डील्स मिल
lucky
जाती हैं,
enough.
कभी कभी डील्स बहुत अच्छी भी मिल
शूज
जाती
यहाँ के माने हुए होते हैं because they specialize in hikers and all kinds of stuff like trekking and all. तो बहुत अच्छी चीज मिलती है, आके चेक करना कभी टाइम मिले तो. Then there's a store right there, Gap Factory Outlet. Very nice store. बहुत ही किफ़ायती और अच्छा स्टोर है. For to buy clothes for kids, for yourself, adults and kids दोनों clothing मिल जाते हैं. Very nice deals, very good stuff. This was one of my favorite hangout places when I used to work at Cabela's. So do check it out when you get some time. Come here and shop. Right there, that is Banana Republic. That is more like a official dressier store. So if you want stuff for your office, you can come here and shop like if you need something more fancier, and it's a little bit high on the range. So Banana Republic is another place, and then right there across Banana Republic is Mastermind Toys, which is again a place for toys for your kids. काफी अच्छा स्टोर है.
So guys, this is where we are. Preston Crossing, like I said. ये मेरे पीछे जो आप देख रहे हैं, this is a circle drive. As per its name, it circles around the Saskatoon. So ये circle drive is all the way around Saskatoon.
Very busy.
And this you can see how many vehicles are on it right now. And you can.
Yeah.
The main thing is it has every store you want, from Walmart, which is very economical for groceries, for clothing and everything, to Cabela's, which is very expensive and a very high quality, and some stores in the middle like Marks and Canadian Tire and Michaels and Bed Bath and Body, and then Gap Factory Outlet. This store here has clothing for whole family. See, this Gap is different than the Gap outlets that you see in the malls. This is a factory outlet, factory store. So the clothing in this store, they are on sale almost like whole throughout the year.
Yeah.
Right.
So guys, do check it out. It's beautiful. It's nice to come here.
There's Walmart right there.
And then Walmart. So guys, right behind me is Walmart. Right there. So this is another Walmart. जहाँ हम आपको पहले लेके गए थे वो बेट्स एवेन्यू का था, वेस्ट साइड का. This is the Preston Crossing Walmart.
Yeah.
No less than the Betts Avenue one. You can come check it out, shop, eat, at the same time buy your groceries, all in the same area. And the best thing is the parking is free here.
Absolutely.
So you don't pay anything for parking here.
Yeah.
So अगर आप शॉपिंग करने मॉल्स में जाते हो, स्पेशली मिड टाउन मॉल, you gotta pay parking there. Whereas here, there's no parking that you pay. So another good tip, lots of money. और वही पैसे जो आप बचाओ, आप शॉपिंग में खर्च कर लो.
बर्बाद करो. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है भाई साहब. Okay, thank you so much for watching this
So guys,
vlog.
this is our effort, and this effort has really taken toll on us. हमारे हाथ सुन्न हो गए हैं.
Okay.
So guys, do give it a big thumbs up if you like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and give lots of love in your comments. And see you in the next vlog.
Thank you so much for
Bye.
watching. Take care.
Love
Bye
you.
for now.
Take care.